Hi everybody, Locksmith Nate here, showing you some common problems. Say your door isn't opening very easily. One of the things to check is if your latch goes all the way in. This one does not, so it's a pretty easy fix. You're going to take 2 screws out the back. One, two. Push your latch in, remove the front part. Okay, 2 screws out the side. One. Two. You're going to take the latch out, replace it with one of these. Just another kit. This kit is made by Quickset because I have a Quickset lock. But I already have one of my latches open. So, put that in, 2 screws. One. Two. Put your front in. Line up your back. Screw the screws back in. And now your latch goes in all the way. You'll have no problem opening up your door. All right, thanks for watching.